Brookfield Infrastructure Partners eyeing India's semiconductor and EV sectors. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into some exciting news about Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, a major player in the global investment scene. They're considering some big moves in India's semiconductor and electric vehicle, EV, industries. Let's break down what's happening. Brookfield's plans. Semiconductor investment. Brookfield is thinking about investing in India's growing semiconductor sector. They've already put $15 billion into a semiconductor facility with Intel in Arizona, and they're looking at doing something similar in India. However, this is still in the early stages, and there's no set timeline yet. Current focus areas. Besides semiconductors, Brookfield is actively looking at opportunities in areas like fibers, transmission lines, electric vehicles, and smart meters. They're exploring these sectors to see where they can make the most impact. India's semiconductor push. Investment incentives. India is keen on boosting its chipmaking industry and has committed over 84,000 Indian rupees crore, about $10 billion, in production-linked incentives to attract foreign investments. Recent developments. Recently, Maharashtra announced that the Adani Group is collaborating on a $10 billion semiconductor project with Tower Semiconductor from Israel. Tata Electronics is also setting up 2 more semiconductor fabs in Gujarat, and Reliance Industries is exploring chip fab investments. Brookfield strategy. Discussions and next steps. Brookfield has had some initial talks with Indian companies about semiconductor investments, but nothing is finalized yet. They're still figuring out the best approach and have no set limits on how much they might invest. Other interests. Brookfield is also looking into investing in EV infrastructure, such as charging stations and public transport decarbonization. They want to be a significant player in the EV sector soon. Fibre investments. They're considering entering the fibre business in India, where a lot of new fibre is being laid out. Brookfield already operates around 1.5 million kilometers of fibre globally and sees this as a natural extension of their current business. Partnerships and opportunities. Corporate partnerships. Brookfield's strategy involves partnering with other corporates who might want to recycle or repurpose their infrastructure assets. This approach helps them tap into existing infrastructure and invest where it makes the most sense. So, that's the latest from Brookfield Infrastructure Partners. They're eyeing some major investments in India's semiconductor and EV sectors and exploring new opportunities in fiber and other infrastructure areas. Stay tuned for more updates on these exciting developments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Here's a list of Indian companies that could benefit from the developments. Semiconductors and technology. Tata Electronics, planning to set up semiconductor fabs in Gujarat. Reliance Industries, exploring investments in semiconductor fabs and potentially collaborating with Tower Semiconductor. Adani Group, working on a $10 billion semiconductor project with Israel's Tower Semiconductor. Electric vehicles, EVs. Tata Motors, engaged in the EV sector and could benefit from increased infrastructure and investment. Mahindra & Mahindra, active in the EV market with ongoing developments and new releases. Hero MotoCorp, exploring electric two-wheelers and could benefit from enhanced EV infrastructure. Fibre and telecommunications. Reliance Jio, already involved in fibre infrastructure through its Digital Fibre Infrastructure Trust. Bharti Airtel, operates a significant telecommunications network and could benefit from advancements in fibre infrastructure. Vodafone Idea, Vi, another major player in telecommunications that could see benefits from improved fibre networks. These companies are directly or indirectly involved in the sectors mentioned in the article and could leverage new investments and infrastructure developments to enhance their business operations and growth prospects.